Let's talk constipation management, because the latest science has some huge updates you should know about.
Been struggling with it? Well, you might be surprised to hear the old rules have totally changed.
In fact, some of that common advice might actually be making things worse. See, it's no longer seen as just a simple symptom, especially for older adults.
It's now officially considered a geriatric syndrome, linked to some really serious health issues.
But here's the great news. The entire treatment rulebook has just been updated.
First up, fiber. The old rule of just add more is officially out.
For some older folks, piling on fiber without guidance can actually backfire pretty badly.
And you know that old fear of using laxatives long-term? Yeah, that's changing too.
Top guidelines now actually endorse monitored use of several options, including newer agents.
And for those really tough, stubborn cases, we now have much smarter medicines.
These are super targeted therapies that work on specific things like gut nerves to get relief.
So the whole modern approach is this clear, personalized, step-by-step plan.
And get this, it's not all about pills. There are non-medication options that really work too.
Things like biofeedback are showing huge improvements and are even reducing laxative dependence.
So what's the big takeaway here? Your treatment plan can and should be totally personalized.
Okay, quick disclaimer. This is not medical advice, just an explainer on the new science.
The single most important thing you can do is talk to your geriatrician.